flat we've got our yarn, we've got our 8mm needles, but I also recommend that you measure out 1.4 meters of yarn so that you have enough yarn to cast on. So to cast on, we're going to use the long tail cast on method. And so what it is, you just wrap your yarn around your thumb, wrap your yarn around your little pinky, and then dig into that loop and then pull through. Wrap around the thumb, dig into that loop and pull through. Wrap around the thumb and continue to cast on the number of stitches for your size. So for your foundation stitch, you're knitting 1 and then you're purling 1 and then you're knitting 2. So you're going to knit down into that stitch, knit 2, so you're effectively going south, and then for your purl stitch. So for foundation row 2, it is purl 1, knit 1, purl 2. So coming west and then knit 1. So row 3, you're going to knit 1 and then you're going to slip 1, but you're going to bring the yarn to the front. So slip 1 and you're going to do it purlwise. So again, going towards the west. So pull that off and then bring the yarn round to the front again, and then knit 1, knit 2, bring your yarn around, slip it purlwise and knit 2. So that's your slip stitch for this row. So continue that for the rest of the row. So for row 4, you are going to purl 1 and then you're going to knit 1 into the back of the loop. So you know that you slipped that stitch previously, so you're going to go into the back of that loop like that. So that's your knit 1 into the back of the loop. Purl 2 and then knit into the back of the loop and then continue that. You're now set up for the rest of the hat, so continue straight until the shaping row. So coming up to shaping row 1, we will go purl 1, knit 1 into the back of the stitch, and then what we're going to do is purl 2 together. So again, knit 1 into the back of the stitch and purl 2 together. And continue that for the rest of the shaping row 1. So at shaping row 2, and we're going to change the rib stitch slightly. So we're going to knit 1 and then we're going to bring that yarn round to slip 1, but instead of going purlwise, we're going to go knitwise. So as if you're going to knit it. So slip that one, knit 1, bring your yarn around again, and instead of going purlwise, we're going to go knitwise and knit. And the reason for that is it sets you up nicely for shaping row 3. For shaping row 3, you're going to knit 1 and then you're going to knit 2 together into the back of the loop. 2 together. Shaping row 5 is just a mere knit 2 together across the final row. To the end of shaping row 5, I want you to just cut your yarn there, and what we do is pick up your darner and just thread it through those stitches. Just gently take them off and thread them through gently. Pull to secure, and I would just take the top 2 stitches there. So just take that one and just secure that, and then I will show you how to do the mattress stitch to sew it up.